If you like books and you like the outdoors, then you'll probably like these. What's happening, Panda Nation? Peter Von Panda here. I have made no secret about it. I love the outdoors. I don't get outdoors as much as I want to, but I also have books. I like books about the outdoors. It's kind of funny when worlds collide like that. But I needed some bookends to prop up some of my outdoor books, and I thought, why not bookends that maybe look like they are bringing the outdoors indoors? So I picked these up because they are interesting in the fact that, one, they were pretty inexpensive. I was actually looking at some bookends that were shaped like mountains made out of wood, which looked very nice, but these were even more interesting because they had more dimension to them in some ways, and they seemed to be made out of really heavy material, namely concrete. At least that's what they advertised, and it certainly looks like it. You can see how smooth and finished it is right here. That is just gray paint and then white painted tops. Kind of very geometric, almost cartoon-like. I like the rounded edge here. You can see that concrete. You know, they're pretty heavy. I mean, not so heavy that you're going to use these to work out, but I don't know. Each of these might be 5 pounds, my guess. So you can see the flat side there. We have little foam feet here on the bottom, so you can put that like that. And then we probably have a duplicate one. I would not think that they would make 2 separate versions. Oh, you know what? They do. They are mirror images of each other, just like that. They're actually not the same, which is pretty clever. And what you can do now is set your books up between these guys and kind of see a mountain range behind there. So I love the stacked look, the 3-dimension of it. I love how heavy they are, so you don't need a flange underneath the books or anything to keep them up. So if you don't like your bookends sliding around, you've always wanted heavy ones, and you want to bring the outdoors indoors, then you might love these. I will put a link to these cheap, outdoor, cool-looking, cartoon-like bookends in the description below. Peter Von Panda, out.
We can discover more and explore so much deeper.